Hi boys and girls, today we are going to do more of our counting on the front and making 10 frames on the back. So go ahead and write your name at the top of your paper. And then we're going to count the objects and you are going to write how many. But we're going to do it a little bit different this time because I want you to count on your own. So we're going to do 2 together, and then I'm going to have you do 2 on your own. You're going to push pause and count the objects by yourself. Okay, so let's do the first one. Ready? We're going to make the little marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to write 10 up here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And let's write 20 in this heart because we know that we've stopped at 20. Let's keep going. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Whew, we're getting a lot of hearts here. So write 30 in that heart. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Whew. We're going to write 40 as a 4 and a 0. Keep going. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. 48? 48. A 4 and an 8. That's a lot. Okay, we're going to do these little balls together, and then you're going to do the crayons and the kites on your own. Okay, let's count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we write 10. Let's keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Whew! So we have 30. We're going to keep going. 31, 32, 33, 34. 34. My goodness. Okay. Now, I want you to count the crayons on your own and see if we come up with the same number of crayons. So, you're going to push pause on your video. Now, you can't cheat. Okay? So, you push pause, and then when you push play, we will check the crayons. So, go ahead and push pause, and when you're finished, push play. All right, boys and girls, I counted 54 crayons. Now, if you got it right, nice job. If you got it wrong, that's okay. I just want you to try. So if you did get it wrong, go ahead and erase and write 54. So that's really good. I want you to try. That's how we learn, is by doing it on our own after the teacher does it, to see if we can get it right. And if not, we fix it. Okay, I want you to do the same thing with the kites. I want you to push pause and count them. And when you're done, push play and see how close we got to each other. So go ahead and push pause. Okay, that one didn't take as long. I counted 12 kites. So did you get it? And mistakes are okay. If you didn't get it, that's all right too. Just erase it and fix your answer. Whew, that was a lot of counting. All right, girls, on the back side, we're doing the same thing that we did yesterday, where we're filling in the 10 frames so that we can start recognizing them. Like if I were to hold up a 10 frame card, you would be able to tell me what it is without counting. Okay, so one is already done for us, so you got a freebie. Let's do 2. It's just 2. Do 3. We did 3. Now let's do 4. There's 4 circles. Let's do 5. 5 circles. Next, we're going to do 6. Now we're doing 7. Let's do 8. So 8 is 5 on top and 3 on the bottom. 9. So 9 is almost all of them with 1 left over. And the last one is 10. So we're going to have all of the boxes full. Good. Nice work today, boys and girls. You did wonderful. Now that you're all finished, do what your teacher would have you do next.